Alright guys, it's going to be the video for my FF12. Thanks everybody for participating. Fuck you, Zach. I'm going to go live. Stop fucking commenting. Alright. 4 o'clock p.m. Current time 4. Okay, go back and get the list. Alright, 76 spots. Copy. Alright, over here, new giveaway. FF12. Paste. Let's speak through the names real quick. Trying to get this done fast. Alright, 76. Alright, gonna roll 3 dice. Okay, 6, 10, 15. Alright. 15. Begin the giveaway. Yes, $1 will be deducted. Alright. First round. Timestamp. 2101. 1. Here we go. Back to the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and for your winner, ooh, spot number 27, Mario Delgado. Wow, I think that's a 1-spotter. Congrats, Mario. Shoot me a PM once you've seen the results. Here. The code. Copy. Alright, once again, your winner, Mario Delgado. Timestamps 402, 402. Spot number 27, Mario is the winner. Back over here. Alright, go down here, type in done. Come on. Done. Alright, one last timestamp. 403. 403. Here's your code. Thanks, guys.